It is now time to replace your vofit battery. Follow these simple steps to get back to activity tracking in no time. vofit is powered by two CR1632 batteries, which can be purchased at most hardware stores, camera stores, or through online retailers. Once the new batteries are acquired, remove the module from the activity band. Unscrew the cover of the module using a small Phillips screwdriver. Once all 4 screws have been removed, lift the cover of the module and remove the batteries. While removing the battery, make sure not to lose or damage the gasket. Insert the new batteries. Make sure each battery is placed in the gasket facing the correct side. Place the cover onto the module and firmly tighten the 4 screws back in place. Align the module with the band properly so the button of the module matches the button on the band. Insert the module into the band, turn on the device, and begin activity tracking again.